All right, here it is, 2013 YZ250. Taking it out for a ride today. Trying to get everybody rounded up here. All right, first ride on the YZ250, man. Thing feels all right, not bad. Motor's strong though. Yeah, definitely gotta get a new chain sprocket for sure. Definitely not different than my 300. About a mile into the first ride on this thing. See how it does on some of this single track. This thing runs really good, man. I'm really impressed with it. I think we're going up that hill. And we might be, I don't know. No, we're going to go this way. A lot more vibration out of this than my 300. Some fun trails here. I haven't ridden this stuff in years. So far I'm liking this bike.
Yeah, we went 3.6 miles.
Yeah.
It's making a weird noise.
Like what?
Go back to the truck.
Like clunking a little bit.
Oh, it's the chain.
Oh.
Chain's wore out. Hey, ride this thing. Switching it up, ride Jeremy's KX. I'm letting him ride the YZ a little bit, see what he thinks.
That's nice.
Isn't it?
It's tight, man.
Yeah. Yeah, so if you're on a budget, any of these older motocross bikes can be made into great off-road bikes with a little bit of work. Spend a little bit of money on them. You know, because with the price of a new bike being around the $10,000 to $12,000 range, not everybody's got that kind of cash to just throw down on an off-road bike. So you can go out and still have just as much fun on something like this, and not break the bank. You like it?
Yeah. You guys are up. You definitely need a new seat cover though.
Oh yeah. Yeah. I got a new gripper seat cover coming. But it's not bad, right?
No, dude, it's snapping too.
Yeah, it is. It's got a lot of power.
What how do you feel about mine?
Feels good.
Yeah.
Yeah, it feels real good. The power is a little more mellow, which is probably better for this.
Yeah. I put the flywheel weight on it.
Yeah, that, oh yeah. Yeah, that makes a big difference. Put this thing in third gear and see how it lugs this trail. Alright, second. Yeah, it's a little bit different gearing than my 300, so it's not going to be the same. And it doesn't have the flywheel weight to lug this thing along. Yeah, but this thing feels good. Other than that chain slapping, it's kind of annoying. It's really pretty tight. This thing's got a shit ton of power. I'm not even hardly on it at all. like I said before, this is a great option for someone to, you know, buy a bike and really just trail ride. Like, you don't really have to do a full frame up, complete build, new bottom end, all that stuff. Something like this bike, you know, you buy it, throw some tires on it, a couple little things, levers, tighten everything up a little bit, you change sprockets, and this bike would be just fine for riding a single track, or you know, or even taking it to the track. So it's a lot better than I thought it was going to. It's going to be a fun project.
Yeah, it should be.
Yeah, and you know, it's a motocross transmission, but you know, you could change it up more for off-road by some gearing and flywheel weight. But I'm going to build it for moto because honestly, I could ride that thing fine just like it is out here.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly.
It's not my 300, but you know,
it's still fun though. Like,
yeah.
This is still fun to me.
Yeah, like I was saying, these bikes are a great option for somebody that can't afford a $10,000-$12,000 bike. There's nothing wrong with riding one of these. It's totally fine. You adapt to riding, but you know, you don't have to spend a lot of money to come out here and have fun on dirt bikes.
Exactly. Other than the shitty clutch.
Yeah.
The motor's awesome.
Isn't it?
Suspension's good.
Yeah, I cannot believe how well this thing runs, man.
The other day feels like great, real good off the bottom.
Yeah.
That's fine.
Yeah.
All right, we're heading our way back. It's been a good day riding this thing, man. I think I'm gonna have a lot of fun with it. This thing runs really good. It doesn't look the best, but it's really tight. Great motor. Good suspension. Suspension feels like it's set up more for like a desert racing, not so much just single track. Seems like it would be set up for a little bit more higher speed, so it might do all right for motocross. Following Scott back here, got Jeremy behind me. I let my friend Bob ride my bike today, so he's on my 300. And Eric brought a buddy out that is a mountain biker, has never ridden before, I don't believe, and he's kind of trying to check it out, see if it's something he wants to get into, I think. But it's always fun bringing people out and introducing them to this stuff. Okay. Yeah, if someone were to have bought this bike and just wanted to ride it, you really wouldn't have to do much to it. Some new tires, chain and sprockets, some levers to tighten everything up, new foot pegs, and you would be in really good shape. And this would be a great bike to do a little bit of everything on. That's all for today. YZ250 did good. It held together, so that's a good thing. But it's super tight, man. I'm looking forward to it. It's gonna be fun.